Hey guys, it's the Junior Coder. Welcome back to the Intro to TKinter tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be learning how to make a simple calculator using TKinter. So in the past few videos, we've learned everything we need to know to make this calculator. So we're just going to be taking whatever we learned from the past few videos and putting it into this calculator. So let's get right into it. So this is the calculator we're going to build. It's very simple. It only has addition. So let's just do 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 plus 5. So that's 45 plus 5 equals 50. You can clear it. So if we do 4 plus 4 now, 8, clear, 2 plus 2, 4, clear. So let's get into how to build this. So first we're going to start off by importing TKinter. So from TKinter, we import star. So from TKinter, we import everything. Root equals TK. And we're going to add a title to that root. So root.title, we want that title to be simple calculator. And now we add the widgets. So we start off basic with the box, the text box. So the box where the numbers go. So you press a button, the numbers go into this box. Let's just name it box. It's an entry, but we'll make it so that we can't write into it. We'll do that later. Entry root width equals 35. And border width equals 5, just like that. And then we add it to the root window. Box.grid row equals 0. Column equals 0, but column span equals 3, and then we'll also add pad x equals, we'll do 10, pad y equals 10. So these three over here, we haven't worked with them yet. These three allow you to adjust the width or the space between two or more widgets. So right now we're not going to see anything. If we delete this, it's going to be the same thing as if we keep it, because we only have one widget here. It's the entry widget or the box. But if we add more, this will adjust the space between those. So pad x, the x space, so the x-axis, and then this is for y-axis. Now that we're done that, we can add the buttons. So start off simple with button 1. Button, it is in root. The text is 1, pad x equals 40, and pad y will do 20. So for all the numbers, pad x and y will be the same, but for the other buttons such as add, clear, and equal, we'll do that later. It's not going to be 40 and 20 though. So button 1, just like that, we're done with it. We can copy it. We'll paste it. Button 2, button 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then this is for add. We'll do add, equal, and we need clear. Okay, so we'll change the names first. Zero, and then add, equal, clear, just like that. So as I said, actually we'll change these as well. We won't do the word at, we'll just do this. Equal is equal. This is clear. And then from button 1 to 0, we're going to keep it 40 and 20 for pad x and y. But for add, equal, and clear, we're going to change it. So the y is going to remain the same. We want the difference between the y's the same, but since two of these, so the equal and the clear, they're gonna be way like the width is gonna be way longer. We want it to not be the same size, so we have to change these. Can't be 40, so this has to be 39, 91, and 79. So you just have to try out different numbers, and I found that these three numbers give you the best result. So if we change this, it's gonna mess up the space between these two, or two of these. So now that we're done defining them, the next thing you gotta do is put it on the screen. Button 1, we start with 1, not equal, dot grid. Row equals 3. We'll start with 3. So this is on the bottom, it's not 0. And then column, always start with 0. So this will be on the bottom left corner. It's not going to be the most bottom though. We're going to have a row 4 at the end for these three right here. So this is good for now. Again, copy this. Button 2, button 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. Add equal clear. Okay, so this is organized right here. This is the first row. So 3, 3, 3. This is going to be 1, 2, 3. The rows are all the same. This is going to be row 2. This is going to be row 1. And as I said, we're going to have a row 4 for these. Row 4, 4. We're not going to have all 4 actually. We're going to do 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so this is going to be column 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Add equal and clear. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, row 1, row 2, row 3. Everything's good for now. And then so this is row 4 and row 5. So this is 0, this is 1. That's for row 4. Column 0 over here, and column 1 over here. That's for row 5. So this is different columns. That's why I'm not doing 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm just doing 0, 1 for 4, 0, 1 for 5. So this is better if I just put a space. It's less confusing. So these two over here are going to have column span. These two are going to be the longest. So column span, we'll do 2. 2 is enough. We don't need a lot. So over here we did a column span of 3. But 2 is good over here. Column span of 2. Okay, so now if we run it, actually no, we're not going to get anything because we forgot the main loop. So root.main loop, so it starts looping. So now we should get our beautiful result. Actually no, I messed up over here. So add, this is supposed to be clear. This is supposed to be add because of the rows. Okay. Equal add. So because of the rows, you can't, I want it to be add and equal on row 5, clear and 0 on row 4. It's going to look way better. And then, so we're going to cut this over here, paste over here. So now it should work. So yeah, look. Now 0 and clear over here. So if I scroll down. So 0 and clear over here, button 0, button clear are on row 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, and this is row 4. So 0 and clear on row 4, plus and equal on row 5. And as you can see over here, so button clear has a column span, that means it's long over here. Button equal has a column span, that means it's long. And add and 0 are the same as these ones, don't have a comma span because they're the same size. So that's it for the visuals of our calculator. Honestly, that's all we need for this calculator. But as you can see, nothing's gonna work if we press on the buttons. That's because we don't have any functions for them. So all of these buttons we have to make a different function for. We'll do that in the next few videos. So I'm planning on having 2 or 3 parts of this calculator. So this is part 1. So that'll be it for this video. If you guys learned something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And keep a lookout for more videos in the TKinter series. And also keep a lookout for more parts to finish this calculator off. And then I'll see you next time. Bye.